पहले शूटिंग चलूँगी। अनसीन लिखो, ये ले कर यार 13 हो गए थे पहले। लिखें जी 80 की स्पीड है। हाँ जी रेडी। देखें
नहीं क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं क्या गोल मार दिया
क्या हुआ है, चलो लिखिए। A person who is eligible and who is not more than 65 years of age on the last date fixed for submission of application in the advertisement for the post of the Vice Chancellor may apply for the post full stop. The Chancellor shall determine comma by notification in the official gazette comma the qualifications comma experience and other relevant requirements for the post of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall constitute a search committee consisting of not less than 3 and not more than 5 members for making recommendations for appointment of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The search committee shall follow such procedure and criteria for selection of the panel for the post of the Vice Chancellor as the Chancellor by notification comma determine full stop. The search committee shall recommended to the Chancellor comma a panel of 3 persons who comma in its opinion comma are suitable for appointment as the Vice Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall appoint the Vice Chancellor for each term of 4 years, but he shall serve during the pleasure of the Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall determine the terms and conditions of service of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The incumbent Vice Chancellor shall not be allowed any extension in his tenure, but subject to eligibility he may again complete for the post of the Vice Chancellor in accordance with the procedure prescribed by or under this section full stop. If the office of the Vice Chancellor is vacant or the Vice Chancellor is absent or is unable to perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor owing to any cause comma the pro Vice Chancellor shall perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor, but comma if at any time comma the office of pro Vice Chancellor is also vacant or the pro Vice Chancellor is absent or is unable to perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor owing to any cause comma the Chancellor shall make such temporary arrangements for the performance of the duties of the Vice Chancellor as he may deem fit full stop. If an order is passed by an authority comma body or officer of the university comma other than the Chancellor or the syndicate and an appeal against the order is not provided under the statutes or regulations, comma, any aggrieved person may prefer an appeal against the order to the syndicate, full stop. The syndicate may constitute a committee of its members to hear and dispose of any appeal on behalf of the syndicate, full stop. If a member of the syndicate is the officer who passed the order or who is also member of the authority against whose order appeal is filed before the syndicate, such order, comma, or such member shall not hear the appeal as member of the syndicate or be part of the committee constituted to hear and dispose of the appeal, full stop. If any difficulty arises in giving effect to any of the provisions of this act, comma, the government may give such directions, comma, not inconsistent with the act, comma, as it may consider necessary for the removal of such difficulty, full stop. No suit or legal proceedings shall lie against the governments, comma, the university or any authority, comma, officer or employee of the government or the university or any person in respect of anything which is done is in good faith under this act, full stop.